Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the holder type and weight limits so the mount will support your phone. Once done, clean the chosen surface with an alcohol wipe and wait about 30 seconds for it to dry. This ensures firm adhesion. Next, position the mount within easy reach and your natural sightline for safe use. Make small alignment adjustments now so you won't reposition later. This saves time and prevents distraction while driving. You place your phone into the holder using the clamp or magnetic pad and make sure no buttons or charging ports are blocked. This preserves function. Then adjust tilt and rotation so the screen aligns with a 16:9 view for maps and quick glances. Once positioned, tighten any locks or knobs to prevent drift, and if you'll charge, route the cable without pinching. Test by tapping edges and lightly shaking to confirm stability before you drive. You finish by verifying visibility from the driver's seat and making small adjustments for glare or reflections so your eyes travel minimally. If the suction loosens, remove the mount, re-clean both surfaces, and reapply with firm pressure or switch to an adhesive pad. If the magnet slips, add the included thin steel plate or upgrade to a stronger magnetic puck. This preserves wireless charging function if compatible. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.